Do you grow peppers? If so, you know the excitement of watching them sprout and grow. Watching them grow from tiny shoots to glossy fruits is a joy. Each day brings new changes, and the anticipation builds. But peppers are demanding. They need sun, water, and rich soil. Without these essentials, they struggle to thrive. Even with care, you might see yellow leaves, slow growth, or few peppers. These signs can be disheartening. It's frustrating when your efforts don't pay off. You've done everything right, yet the plants seem to struggle. The real issue? Peppers are heavy feeders and quickly use up soil nutrients. They need a constant supply to stay healthy. If your soil is tired, minerals like calcium and magnesium run low. This depletion affects the plant's overall health. That's when you see weak stems and poor harvests. The plants can't support the weight of their fruits. Many gardeners hit this wall and feel discouraged. It's easy to think you've failed, but the solution isn't expensive or complicated. You don't need to buy fancy products. Sometimes the answer is simple and already in your kitchen. Everyday items can provide the nutrients your peppers need. Peppers need a boost, not a miracle. A little extra care can make a big difference. The right support can turn things around. Simple adjustments can lead to a bountiful harvest. You don't need fancy products, just a little know-how. Understanding your plant's needs is key. Let's uncover the simple fix for thriving pepper plants. You'll be amazed at how easy it can be. The answer might surprise you. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. When plants start to struggle, it's easy to reach for a bottle of chemical fertilizer, hoping for a quick fix. After all, the shelves at garden centers are packed with colorful options, each promising to turn your garden around overnight. These products promise fast, visible results, like a sugary drink for your plants. They give a quick burst of energy, making leaves greener and growth faster. But just like sugar, the effects don't last and can leave your garden needing more and more. Chemical fertilizers feed plants directly, bypassing the natural processes in the soil. Over time, this can harm the delicate balance underground, slowly degrading the living ecosystem that healthy plants depend on. Earthworms, beneficial microbes, and other tiny helpers suffer, leaving the soil lifeless and increasingly dependent on more chemical inputs to keep plants growing. Overusing these fertilizers can even burn the roots of your pepper plants, causing stunted growth, yellowing leaves, and sometimes killing the plants you're trying to help. True garden health comes from working with nature, not against it. A thriving garden is built on healthy, living soil that supports plants season after season. Organic methods feed the soil itself, encouraging a web of life beneath the surface. This living foundation helps plants grow stronger and more resilient. Compost, leaf mold, and natural materials add nutrients slowly, improve soil structure, and help retain moisture, making your garden more resilient to drought and disease. This approach may take a little longer to show results, but the benefits build up year after year, creating a garden that thrives naturally. Healthy living soil means healthy peppers, season after season. Skip the quick fixes and invest in your garden's future. Choose natural solutions and nurture your soil for a truly thriving garden that rewards you for years to come. Let's explore how a few simple changes can transform your garden and make all the difference for your peppers. So what's the natural solution? Top dressing. This means adding a layer of nourishing material to the soil surface. It breaks down slowly, feeding plants gently, just like in nature. But today's secret is even simpler than compost or manure. It's a common kitchen staple, baking soda. Baking soda isn't a fertilizer, but it improves soil conditions. It helps peppers absorb nutrients and fight common problems. Sometimes the simplest things work best. Let's see how to use it. Using baking soda is easy. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda into a gallon, about 4.5 liters of water. Stir until dissolved. Pour 1 to 2 cups of this solution around the base of each pepper plant. Avoid splashing leaves, but a little won't hurt. Apply every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. Don't overdo it. Too much can upset soil balance. Use this as part of your regular watering routine. This gentle tonic supports healthy roots and strong growth. No special tools or skills needed, just a simple step for better peppers. Add it to your gardening calendar. That's all it takes. Have you ever wondered why baking soda, a simple kitchen staple, is so effective in the garden? Let's explore how this humble powder can make a big difference for your pepper plants. When you add baking soda to your garden soil, it gently raises the pH, making the environment less acidic. Peppers thrive best in soil that's slightly acidic to neutral, which means a pH between about 6.0 and 7.0. If your soil is too acidic, your pepper plants can struggle to absorb essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium, leading to yellowing leaves and stunted growth. By balancing the pH, baking soda helps unlock nutrients that are already present in the soil, making them available to your plants. The result? You'll notice greener leaves, stronger stems, and more vigorous growth. Not because you've added extra fertilizer, but because your plants can finally access the food they need. But that's not all. Baking soda is also a natural way to help prevent fungal diseases, such as powdery mildew, which can quickly spread and damage your crop. Creating a slightly alkaline environment on the leaf surface discourages harmful fungi from taking hold and spreading. You can even mix a mild baking soda solution and lightly spray it on the leaves to protect them throughout the growing season. Many gardeners report that their peppers grow bigger, healthier, and with fewer problems when they use baking soda as part of their routine. It's a simple, natural boost for your garden. No harsh chemicals, just real results you can see and taste. Try this easy method and see the difference for yourself. Your peppers will thank you with a more abundant, healthier harvest. Sometimes, the most effective gardening solutions are right in your kitchen, waiting to work wonders in your backyard. Nature's simplest solutions are often the best. Baking soda is a gentle, effective way to help your peppers thrive. Feed your soil, and you invest in your garden's future. Greener leaves, stronger plants, and tastier peppers await. This method is safe, easy, and affordable. Watch your plants transform and share your success with others. Healthy gardens start with small, natural steps. Try this tip and see the results for yourself. Your peppers and the planet will thank you. Happy gardening!